How to input a regex in string.replace. I need some help on declaring a regex. My inputs are like the following. The required output is I've tried this. I've also tried this, but it seems like I'm using the wrong regex syntax. I don't want to hard code the replace from 1 to 99.
This tested snippet should do it. Edit. Here's a commented version explaining how it works. Regexes are fun, but I would strongly recommend spending an hour or two studying the basics. For starters, you need to learn which characters are special, meta characters which need to be escaped, i.e. with a backslash placed in front, and the rules are different inside and outside character classes. There is an excellent online tutorial at www.regularexpressions.info. The time you spend there will pay for itself many times over. Happy regexing!
str.replace does fixed replacements. Use re.sub instead.
I would go like this, regex explained in comments. If you want to learn more about regex, I recommend to read Regular Expressions Cookbook by Jan Hoivarts and Stephen Leviathan.
The easiest way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.